Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we'll show you how to fix can't connect Facebook or Apple ID on Call of Duty on iPhone. If you're stuck trying to log in, this guide is for you. Now let's get started. Method 1. Check Facebook app permissions. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone and make sure you're logged in. Step 2. Tap the menu icon and scroll down to see more options. Step 3. Tap on Settings and Privacy and then tap Settings. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on Apps and Websites under the Permissions section. Step 5. Make sure the option to allow apps and websites is enabled. If this is turned off, Call of Duty won't be able to connect with Facebook. Method 2. Update the Call of Duty mobile app. Step 1. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap on the search bar and type Call of Duty. Step 3. If an update is available, tap Update next to the app to install the latest version. Updates often fix login bugs. Method 3. Switch internet connection. Step 1. If you're connected to Wi-Fi and still having issues, switch to mobile data. Step 2. If you're already on mobile data, switch back to Wi-Fi. Step 3. Once the network changes, try logging into Call of Duty again to check if the connection issue is fixed. Method 4. Reinstall the Call of Duty mobile app. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and go to General. Step 2. Tap on iPhone storage to see all your installed apps. Step 3. Scroll down and select Call of Duty from the list. Step 4. Tap Offload app to clear storage, then tap Reinstall app to get a fresh installation without losing your data. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful guides.